Welcome back to Money with Sofia, where we turn AI into income and build simple online businesses. Making money online used to feel complicated, especially if you had no experience. But in 2026, AI is changing everything. Right now, beginners are using AI tools to start income streams faster than ever before. No experience, no audience, and no need to show your face. In this video, you'll learn exactly how beginners are making money with AI step by step. Let's get into it. The first step is choosing a simple method. Most beginners don't fail because they lack tools. They fail because they try too many things at once. Instead, focus on one simple path like content creation, digital products, or online services. These are the 3 easiest ways to start. The second step is using AI to generate ideas. This is where tools like ChatGPT can help. You can generate business ideas, content ideas, product ideas, and even full strategies in minutes. This saves you time and helps you get started faster. The third step is creating content. Content is one of the fastest ways to grow online. You can create videos, posts, or blog content using AI tools. Many beginners are starting faceless YouTube channels or social media pages without ever showing their face. The fourth step is turning content into income. There are several simple ways to do this. You can offer services, promote products, or create your own digital products. Many beginners start by selling simple things like guides, templates, or prompt packs. The fifth step is creating digital products. Digital products are powerful because you create them once and sell them multiple times. AI can help you write ebooks, create guides, and organize valuable information quickly. Many creators sell their products through platforms like Stan Store. The sixth step is using AI to save time. Instead of doing everything manually, AI can help you automate parts of your work. From writing to editing and planning, these tools allow you to move faster. This is how beginners can compete with more experienced creators. The seventh step is staying consistent. This is where most people fail. They start, post a few times, and then quit too early. But the people who succeed are the ones who keep going. Even simple content can grow over time if you stay consistent. Here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect to start making money online. You just need to start simple and improve as you go. AI tools have removed many of the barriers that used to stop people. Now, it's easier than ever to build something online. If you want more simple ways to make money with AI, make sure to subscribe and check the link below for tools and resources to get started.